Hasn't crumbled yet, so feeling good about that.
Board cut in half, 15 inches each side, 15 inches high. And slope sides so you can skate up, jump off, and then go wherever you want. As I was cutting this, I realized we're gonna have to make an adjustment because I forgot about the lip.
The lip is that gap between the ramp and the ground. Even a 1/4 inch can mean a change in speed. Solution is that it'll be easier to make the sides too steep but low enough to easily ollie on top of.
We're still good. Build date 2. That's looking good.
And really all that's left is paint. Okay, plan is we're just gonna boost and wheel this thing. Actually, hold on. Made it. Brett, feeling good?
Feeling good. This is actually our second time filming this. He forgot to record.
I didn't film the
but
first
I was
time.
saying I believe in his craftsmanship. I saw his room, so I think that this is gonna be.
And it's still genuine the second time. He's still a genuine guy.
Yes,
Yeah.
I mean it.
That is way better than I can do. I haven't properly introduced Brett yet, but that logo on the side of the ramp is his. He runs, what's your, are you owner, manager, founder?
All three.
All three, Fortune Skate Company. Also runs a pretty sick YouTube channel, which will be linked, of course.
Check it out, subscribe,
subscribe,
notifications
like.
on, all that good stuff.
That little bell, kids, that's the one you gotta hit. You may notice Brett is the only one with an actual skateboard here. I've just got the boosted. I'm more of a builder. Brett's really the skate guy. Let me show you something rare in the wild. B-roll Brett. Just getting those background shots, street shots. Dude's all over the place. He's a skater, he's a filmmaker. What doesn't he do? What makes your stuff better than everybody else's? Is it like,
so we're like
technically better, or is it just cooler? Or is
that,
it...
and also we're one of the only skateboard companies that makes their skateboards in America still.
Ah.
So this is made in America. We get the maple wood from Canada, and then it gets pressed in Maine, and then our warehouse is in Long Island.
That's awesome.
That's the process right there.
Is that hard to organize? In country?
Not anymore. Okay. But now we got it down. The margins aren't as good, but you know, we don't want people skating on chopsticks.
Yeah, that's true.
It's like a lazy man skateboard.
Okay, calm down.
Thank you for building this contraption.
Dude, no problem. I'm glad you skated it. I'm taking an upside down ramp home. Brett's got an Uber.